What if you could copy text from any video, image, or even a paused movie scene? This free Windows tool can do that, and so much more. It's called Microsoft PowerToys, a hidden gem that transforms Windows into a productivity powerhouse. Let me show you the features you'll wish you knew about years ago. PowerToys is Microsoft's own set of free utilities designed for power users. Think of it as Windows' secret upgrade, tools that make your PC smarter, faster, and way more useful. And yes, it's 100% free. Just head to the official PowerToys GitHub page, scroll to the Assets section, and download the latest executable installer. 2 clicks, and you're ready to go. First up, the text extractor. Just hit Windows plus Shift plus T, draw a box over any text on your screen. Yes, even in videos, and PowerToys will instantly copy it to your clipboard. No retyping, no OCR apps. Perfect for grabbing important text, fixing typos from screenshots, or pulling text from locked PDFs. Next, here's one for the coders, the special copy tool. Select a block of Python code, copy it with PowerToys, paste it into an AI chat, and instantly convert it into Java, C#, or any language you need. Designers, you'll love this, the color picker. Hover over anything on your screen, hit the shortcut, and instantly grab its HEX or RGB code. Perfect for web design, branding, or matching colors exactly. Need to resize dozens of images at once? The image resizer is built right into File Explorer. Right-click, choose your size, and done. No extra software needed. And that's just the start. PowerToys comes packed with even more tools, and it's evolving fast. With AI integration on the horizon, this could completely change the way Windows looks, feels, and works in the next few years. Don't forget to subscribe for more innovative tools like this. What do you think? Do you plan to use PowerToys, or are you already using it? Drop your answer below. Oh, and if you want great deals on Windows keys for Home, Pro, or Enterprise LTSC editions, check our link in the description. Goodbye for now.